Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, I am so excited to do this video. I promised I would share my new goodies. If you follow me on Instagram, I did share a little bit of a sneak preview as to what I picked up for my birthday, and I promised to do this unboxing, so here we go. First, I'm going to share with you what my hubby picked up for me from Hermes. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen this already because as soon as I unboxed it or opened it, I just wore it. I wore it all day on my birthday because I love it. So let me show you. And for those of you who follow me already or are regulars here, you'll know this is my third Hermes bracelet. The other two I picked up in Paris, and they come with really special memories. But this is the very first one. First and only one that my hubby gifted to me. So here it is. It is the slimmer version, the CDC bracelet 24. Oh my gosh, with the black leather and the gold or rose gold hardware. So actually all of my Hermes bracelets now have rose gold. I am a big fan of rose gold. You can see here on my Cartier Trinity band. I've got that stacked look going on where it's the rose gold, the white gold, and the yellow gold. And then here, this is more of costume jewelry, but also a stacked look with the rose gold on the bottom. Picked this up in Barcelona. I am a huge fan of rose gold. So let me just quickly show you how this looks on my wrist. So for those of you who are curious about sizing, this size is a T2. It comes in T1, T2, and T3. So I'm gonna quickly, let me go off camera here so I can just quickly get a good look at this, close up the clasp. Okay, so I put it in the middle one because I like the way it looks. You can also put it on the end if you want, or even tighter, but this one fits me really well. And then you pull this tab up, and there you have it. Really classic, chic. I love this sort of edgy style. I can wear this with anything really. Imagine with an all-black outfit, I feel like this would pop. The hardware, I just think it's perfect. I did try on the larger CDC bracelet in Paris, and it kind of overtook my wrist. It was quite chunky, and because there's so much hardware, it just felt really inappropriately big for me, but I love that bracelet, and I love seeing it on other people. But this one here I thought was a little bit more dainty, but still had that pop. And I feel like it's more proportioned for me. So I'll keep this on for the remainder of the video just because I love it, and I'm probably going to wear it like every day for many days until I decide to switch it out. Okay, and then my next one will be this one here. This was such a lovely surprise from my friend Elma. She and I became friends on Instagram and have gotten really close. I feel like she is one of my soul sisters in terms of like what we gravitate towards, style. Oh, she's just amazing. And she sent me this beautiful gift. So, so sweet. So I'm going to show you, and it goes to show how well she knows me because everything she picked is like perfect. So I'm gonna just take out, you guys know I never open this. I try not to tear through the tissue paper. I just don't like to. Try to keep it intact. So, and then there are some samples as well, which I will leave in there. Okay, so this one is the double-sided compact mirror. And the reason why this is so meaningful is because she remembered when I did my Chanel giveaway a while back. And I gave away this mirror, and I had given two choices. It was either this mirror or that egg-shaped Chanel hand cream, and the winner wanted the mirror, so it went off to her. And Elma remembered that I didn't have a mirror. I actually don't have any compact mirrors at all, let alone Chanel. So she went ahead and got me my very own. So let me see if I can open it here. Whoops. So one is a regular mirror, and then the other is the magnifying one. So, oh, there's me, there's my shoulder. So I am super happy to have this. It's so compact and slim. It'll go in all of my bags. And then, of course, she knows I love to always have my nails painted. I'm sort of like obsessed, and I did this very, very bright, bold, hot pink color for my birthday. But these are nail polishes. Here is a top coat, so let me show you. Here's the top coat. It's a gel coat. And then I love the colors that she chose because I don't have colors like this. Look at this. It's like a beautiful like berry color, right? So pretty. It's called Vibration. And then this color is really pretty too. Now I do have a gray toned polish, but not this shade. So pretty. This one is called Washed Denim. I actually think it's really appropriate because she's like a denim expert. She had a denim business for a number of years. So she's just amazing. So thank you, Elma. I know you're watching. Love you. Really appreciate this gift. Made my day that much more special, and I'm definitely going to rock those polishes and carry this mirror with me everywhere. Okay, so then let's get to the big kahuna. I was going to go shopping at a plant store on my birthday. I had a couple of hours, and I posted on IG and I said, hey, should I go to the plant store or should I go take a stroll down Fifth Avenue? And the only reason why I asked that is because one of my IG friends, and you know who you are, she was like DMing me and saying, oh, you should go to Fifth Avenue, just take a walk. And I was like, I don't really have anything in mind that I want to buy. And I've been talking about feeling purse peace and not having a wish list, so I don't even know what I would look for. And she says to me, you know, when you go to a museum, you don't try to buy the paintings, you just admire them. That's what you're going to do. Just walk down Fifth Avenue and look and admire and enjoy, and that's it. Of course, that's not what happened. So I wound up going to Chanel. I'm really actually very happy about it. So this is a true unboxing. I brought this straight from the boutique, and then we had family come over for dinner, and I have not had a chance to open. So it's in the original packaging with the bow intact, so you can see how the lovely sales associate did it all up, and that's the best part actually. I love the items that I picked up, but the best part is that I actually met a wonderful sales associate. And you guys know I've had a hard time finding the one from Chanel. I have an essay at Louis Vuitton that is absolutely amazing, and I will only go to her and I will only buy from her unless I get lucky online. And I went to go visit her too, just to say hi, when Chanel and Louis Vuitton are so close together. I mean, that relationship is so important, and it makes the experience so much more pleasant when you have a lovely, attentive, and helpful SA. But at Chanel, I've always had, it's been hit or miss, but mostly I have had people who were just a little bit snobby, a little bit aggressive in terms of like pressuring me and rushing me. So long story short, I finally, on my birthday, met a lovely SA. I got her card. I will only go to her. She's been with Chanel for about 18 years. She was super attentive and really patient and just down to earth. And I don't know, I feel like you don't find that often in the Chanel essays, unfortunately. So here is the first little goodie. I almost don't want to unbox this. So pretty. Sometimes when you buy from Chanel, they don't even put the sticker nicely. Like she put the sticker, the camellia flower, on the bag, on the boxes. You're supposed to do that, but sometimes they just kind of go like halfway through the motion and don't really care. She was just so wonderful, and she was actually trying to track something down for me in the emerald green color that I wanted, and she found one in Chicago. Apparently it is the only one in the whole of the United States, and she said we'll have it shipped from Chicago directly to you. But after carefully looking at the description in her system, it turned out it was the wrong item. So she was lovely about it, and I was like, it's not the right one, and she's like, don't get it then. It's not meant to be. So this one is what I picked up instead. Dun, 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 dun. Can you guys guess? Oh, my first pink Chanel of any kind. So here's the small O case or little pouch in the beautiful bubblegum pink. This is the true pink. I'm not using any special lighting other than just sitting by the sunny window here in my bedroom. And it's got the caviar, and it is gold hardware. So here's the back. Oh, kind of like goes well with my nail polish. Now, did I really need this? No, I don't. This is a made in Italy. I don't need this. But you guys know I've been talking about a pop of color for a while, and I don't think I'm brave enough to get a pop of color in like a full-size bag because I really have such a neutral toned wardrobe. But I really wanted something fun and bright and like a happy color. And when I saw this, it spoke to me. So I think it's super cute. It will be good for when my mini pochette doesn't fit in some of my smaller bags. I can use this for my little bits and bobs because it's slimmer and it's a little bit smaller in dimensions. So I think that will be nice. So that's the first item. And then let me get to the bigger one. I'm always nervous about true unboxings because I know once I open it, I'll never be able to tie the bow back as nicely. So I'm always fingers crossed that the video will go smoothly. Okay. This one, I wonder if you guys are going to be surprised. I am very happy with this one. Oh gosh. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, I did this. Yes. Are you surprised? I would love to hear from my subbies out there who know me, who know my style, who know the rest of my collection. Are you surprised, or do you feel like this is so me? I feel like this is so me. I have tried fabric and tweed many times, but nothing really called to me. And this one, as soon as I saw it, and it was like high up on a shelf, and I was like, what is that? It was only peeking out like this much, and I was like, I need to see that, please. And I just feel like it's gorgeous. Let me give you a close-up. The detail is incredible. So it's got the black and white tweed, and then it has the Coco Chanel ribbon, the printed ribbon, all kind of woven through. You've got the quilting and the black stitch, gold hardware all around. It even has the tiny little pocket that matches the classic flap styles. Super slim. I think ever since I got my Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch 26, I am now like really a big fan of rocking these like pouch styles. I will post some photos on my Instagram, like mod shots, as soon as possible so you can see what it looks like kind of against the body. But there it is, very simple. Here's the zippered compartment. I am so happy. And guys, the price for this was amazing. You're never gonna guess. Well, for me, I mean, I was surprised. It's under $1,000. So this one here retails for $975, and it is like a nice size. And I tested it out. I put my phone, my key clay, my key pouch, my card holder, I put like everything, all my daily essentials in, and it was so roomy. There was no bulge. So if you're interested, I can do a proper review just on this pouch to show you what it looks like when it's full. But I can put my sunglasses in here. I can really pack this, and look at it. It's just so sleek and chic. I imagine myself wearing this in the fall and winter. Definitely not a summer or even spring vibe, at least for me. And when I'm wearing my like wrap coats and my blazers, and even if I wear like all black and white outfit with this, I just feel like this is so me. Let me know what you guys think. So these are the two that I picked up on my own. Very sort of spontaneous purchases, but not impulsive, because this I've been eyeing for months. And the tweed, like I said, I've tried tweed and fabric items from Chanel for like the past over a year, and so I guess it's always been in the back of my mind. So yeah, I slept on it. It's been a full day. I have zero regrets. Love both of these, and now seeing them again, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So all these beautiful Chanel goodies, oh my gosh, including the gorgeous polishes, mirror. I'm so blessed. I'm so happy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know in the comments below what you think of my new additions to my collection. I feel like I need to do a proper like entire Chanel collection update video because my collection has grown rather quickly in the last several months. I don't see myself adding anything new, but never say never, because I didn't expect to be adding these too, right? But I'm very happy. I feel like what I have in my collection now from Chanel is absolutely plenty, and Oh, I'm so happy, you guys. So thank you so much. Thank you again for the birthday wishes. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love for you to consider doing so. We're close to 10,000. We're like right under 9,000 subbies now. I would love to get to 10,000 before the end of the summer. I feel like that would be absolutely wonderful. And I've got a couple of giveaways planned. So yeah, lots of exciting stuff. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.